Understanding full-time in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, full-time. This is a common term used in various contexts, especially related to work and education. Understanding this phrase will help you navigate conversations about jobs, studies, and lifestyle choices more confidently. Let's dive in. Full-time refers to the commitment of a significant portion of time to an activity, typically a job or education. When someone works full-time, it usually means they are working the standard number of hours considered normal by their employer, often around 35 to 40 hours per week. This is in contrast to part-time work, where the hours are fewer. Employment. In the context of employment, full-time work often comes with benefits like health insurance, paid leave, and retirement plans, which might not be available for part-time positions. It's important in job discussions and contracts. Education. In education, a full-time student typically takes a number of courses or credits that meet their institution's requirements for full-time status. This can affect tuition, eligibility for scholarships, and even visa statuses for international students. Everyday speech. In everyday speech, full-time can also describe any activity that takes up as much time as a full-time job would. Like, I'm a full-time parent, or I'm focusing on painting full-time. Understanding the concept of full-time is crucial as it affects work-life balance, income, career progression, and social status in many cultures. It can influence decisions about career, study, and even lifestyle choices. I hope this video has been informative and helped clarify the meaning and use of full-time in different contexts. Whether you're discussing job opportunities, academic commitments, or describing your daily life, this term is essential in English communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.